When I start in a new organization as an Agile coach, I don't start with frameworks or playbooks or the latest shiny model. I start with ears, not plans. Week 1 is about listening. I spend time where the work actually happens. I'll sit quietly in stand-ups, rubbing my knees like a little perv, join reviews and have those unguarded chats by the coffee machine or Teams calls. Not to assess maturity, but to feel how work really flows. What's real and what's theatre? I'll ask simple questions like, what's working well? What gets in the way? And if you could fix one thing tomorrow, what would it be? Those 3 questions tell you almost everything you need to know about the culture, about how safe people feel to speak up, and what really matters to them. Then, in week 2, I start nudging, not by announcing an agile transformation, but through small, visible shifts. Maybe we visualize the work, so the invisible work becomes, dare I say it, visible. Maybe we tweak a retro to make it actually useful. Or we could make the daily stand-ups 5 minutes shorter and 10 minutes better. Little things that prove things can change. That progress doesn't need permission. And that's usually when the energy starts to change. People start to lean in, conversations feel lighter, delivery feels possible again. Because the first job of an Agile coach isn't to roll out a framework. It's to help people remember what good work feels like. That's it. That's my first 2 weeks. And if you like this video, there'll be another one that YouTube reckons you'll find interesting there also. See you at the next one.